Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the very first steps you would do when creating a new inspection plan, which is importing a CAD model. In PolyWorks, you can import universal files like IGES files or step files, or you can import native CAD files from SolidWorks, from CATIA, from Creo, and others. On my left screen, I'm going to import a universal file like an IGES file. So I'll navigate to Import CAD, and I'll specify my IGES file. And to continue with the workflow, I would go ahead and create my inspection plan, like creating datum A, datum B, datum C, and so forth. So I'm going to pause here and move to my right screen, where I will work with a native CATIA file. So again, I'll import CAD, choose the CATIA file, and before I press open, let me make sure my options are set properly to make sure my import PMI setting is checked on. And I do have an option to show the import log afterward. I'll go ahead and press open, let PolyWorks think, and my screen on the left, I'll go ahead and continue creating some features. And you'll see my import log already finished. My screen on the right already imported the CAD plus all the features. All that happened before I was able to continue on my left screen. And you'll see all the features import. Some of them have their designated tolerances. Some of them have their designated controls, datum labels, and if I hide them, I'll show them individually. I have my angularity control, my perpendicularity control, I have my datum label assigned, all that when working with a native CAD model. You do see there are some time savings when working with a native CAD model, but this does come at an additional cost of having a translator for that CAD format. If you want to get more info about those translators, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.